Data types in AI. With reference to all models, data is of two types: training data and testing data. 1. Training data. Training data is used for training the model, comprising 70% of the dataset. It serves as the initial dataset that programmers use to teach a machine or machine learning application to recognize patterns and trends. For optimal efficiency in an AI project, the training data should be relevant and authentic. For example, if an online shopping application is not trained on accurate data, it may recommend products that the user has no interest in, causing the user to seek alternatives on other shopping websites. 2. Testing data. Testing data is used to evaluate the model, accounting for 30% of the dataset. This data is utilized to test or validate the AI model's accuracy. For example, if an online shopping application is trained on biased data, it may recommend low-cost products to specific races or gender. This error can be identified during the testing process. Computer vision. As humans, we can see things, analyze it, and then do the required action on the basis of what we see. But can machines do the same? Can machines have the eyes that humans have? If you answered yes, then you are absolutely right. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world. It is like impairing human intelligence and instincts to a computer. In order to teach computers to replicate human vision, programmers use the computer vision domain of artificial intelligence. Computer vision enables computers to see and identify images, processing them the way humans would. Using images from cameras and videos, AI models enable machines to accurately identify and classify the objects as well as interpret and understand the visual world. For example, when you upload a picture on Facebook, Facebook recognizes most of the people in the picture and provides suggestions to tag them. This is possible because of computer vision. The Facebook algorithm first differentiates between the different individuals in the picture and then identifies them by comparing them to existing users. Computer vision (CV) domain of AI focuses on replicating the powerful capabilities of human vision system and enables computers to identify and process objects in images and videos in the same way that humans do. With the help of computer vision, computers derive meaningful information from visual inputs and take actions or make recommendations based on that information. For interpreting the visual world, computer vision uses deep learning algorithms and artificial neural networks. If AI enables computers to think, computer vision enables them to see, observe, and understand. How computer vision works? By using computer vision, AI machines can be trained to perform tasks much more quickly with the help of cameras, data, and algorithms instead of relying on human eyes and brain. The process involves acquiring images, selecting them, analyzing the data, identifying objects, and extracting relevant information. Acquiring the image. Images, even large sets, can be acquired in real time through video, photos, or 3D technology for analysis. Analyzing the image. Models are pre-trained by being fed thousands of labeled images. They use this knowledge to analyze the image. Produce the result. AI models then interpret the data and produce the required results or take appropriate actions. Applications of computer vision. Computer vision is very important in today's world. Let us look at some important applications of it. Self-driving car. Detect movements of pedestrians and vehicles. Healthcare. Diagnosis, assistive surgery, drug discovery. Manufacturing. increase productivity and efficiency. Agriculture. Planting, harvesting, weather analysis. Facial recognition. Security for devices, identification of criminals. Image identification. Compares images, search for images. Automated retail. Stores without cashiers or checkout stations. Robotics. Space mission, rescue mission. Natural language processing, NLP. As humans, we use language without much effort because we have been conditioned to understand languages from a young age. This process is quite complex since words can be combined in infinite ways and have different meanings depending on the context in which they are used in and the cultural background of the communicators. For example, the meaning of bat is different in the following two sentences. I saw a bat hanging upside down on a tree. The player bought a new bat for the tournament. Humans can master a language quite easily, but the way characteristics and ambiguity of natural languages are the two biggest aspects that make it difficult for a machine to understand and communicate in a natural human language. In order to narrow the communication gap between machines and humans, the natural language processing, NLP, domain of artificial intelligence is used. Natural language processing, NLP, is the ability of machines to understand and interpret human language the way it is written or spoken. NLP helps machines comprehend, interpret, and manipulate natural language used by humans. For example, when you type something on your smartphone using a search engine like Google, it provides word suggestions based on what you are currently typing and what you usually type. How NLP works. A typical verbal interaction between an NLP system and a human is given below. Human talks to machine. The machine records this audio signal. The audio signal is converted into text. The machine processes the data into action, audio or text. The machine evaluates the possible response and takes action. The text is decoded by the machine. There is communication between machine and human through verbal or text outputs or action taken. NLP is logically divided into two processes. 1. Natural language understanding. NLU helps the machine to interpret data to understand its meaning. It converts text into a machine-readable format. 2. Natural language generation. NLG is a method for creating meaningful sentences in natural language. It automatically produces text or speech from structured data, resulting in meaningful phrases and sentences that are easily understood by humans. For example, when you ask Google Assistant a question, the words or sentences spoken by you into the microphone are taken as input. Google Assistant recognizes your speech and understands it with the help of NLU. It then thinks of possible answers with the help of NLG and gives you the most relevant one as output. Applications of NLP. The following are the different applications of NLP. Chatbots. Chatbots are programmed to interact with humans in such a way that they sound like humans themselves. They are created using NLP and machine learning, which means that they understand language and also learn from their conversations with humans and becoming better over time. Example, HDFC Bank chatbot. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are common examples of voice assistants that are used to make calls, set reminders, schedule meetings, browse the internet, and more. They use NLP to understand what humans are saying and then act upon it. Autocomplete in search engines. Search engines like Google guess what users are typing and automatically complete their sentences. All these suggestions are provided using autocomplete, which utilizes NLP to infer what users want to ask. Search engines analyze their enormous datasets to determine what users are typing when they enter particular words and suggest the most common possibilities. Email classification and filtering. Email services like Gmail use NLP to identify whether an email is spam, unwanted, or useful. This ensures that you do not have to be bothered too much by promotional emails.